you Honda boys? JDM of Cali just got 4 of these K20As straight from Japan land. So these came in the Integra Type R, DC5. So if you guys are looking for a swap, a K20 swap, these guys are pretty much the holy grail. And then for the DC2 boys, got the B18Cs right here, 2 of these guys. But the other 2 K20As actually behind me over here in these fancy little crates or just pallets. So yeah, these are pretty hard to come by, and they have 4 of them here. Now, I'm not sure how much these are going for, but it looks like it comes with the transmission, the ECU, the wiring, all the accessory belts, pulleys, alternator, and all that stuff. So I think the only thing you need to do is get yourself a wire harness, slap this on pretty much any Honda, and go about your ways. Or you could put it in like a Lotus at least or something. It'd be really cool to see this on my AZ1, but I think it's kind of too big. But if I had to guess, these are probably going for about 7,000 or so.